Hello guys, welcome to our channel Study Lovers. My name is Hardik Yadav and I am back with another video of current affairs. In this video, I will tell you the current affairs of 3 January and 4 January 2022. So here is the first current affairs of 3rd January. Which of the following countries scientists have discovered 77 new species beneath Antarctic ice shelves in January 2022? First France, second India, third Russia, fourth Germany. The answer is Germany. Who has been appointed as the new Chief Executive Officer CEO of the Vistra airline in the January 2022? A. Ravindra Sahu, B. Durga Prasad Gupta, C. Satish Jain, 4. Vinod Khanna. The answer is Vinod Khanna. Third, which country has opened the world's longest metro line of a total 831 kilometers in length in January 2022? A. Japan, B. China, C. India, 4. Russia. So the answer is China. Fourth, Ajehu Tai and Barihu Agarwai broke the world 5,000-meter marathon records at the Cursa dels Nasos in Barcelona on 2 January 2022. They belong to which country? A. Ethiopia, B. Kenya, C. Nigeria, D. Ghana. The answer is Ethiopia. Fifth, on his first official visit to the islands, who has inaugurated two colleges of art and science in Kadmat and Androt Islands in Lakshadweep on 2 January 2022? A. Narendra Modi, 2. Ajit Doval, C. Vice President M. Venkaiah Naidu, 4th President Ramnath Kovind, 3rd Vice President M. Venkaiah Naidu. 6th, in which state the 81st All India Industrialization Exhibition Numash 2002 was inaugurated? First Andhra Pradesh, second Telangana, third Haryana, fourth Gujarat. The answer is second Telangana. 7th, World Renewed Conservationist Richard Leakey dies at 77 in January 2022. He belongs to which country? First USA, second Kenya, third South Africa, fourth Egypt. The answer is second Kenya. 8. In India, the vaccination for the children has started from Jan 3, 2022. What is the age bar for vaccination of children? First 12 to 13 years, second 14 to 18 years, third 10 to 18 years, fourth 15 to 18 years. The answer is 4, 15 to 18 years. 9. Which ministry has released a draft National Air Sport Policy NASP for public feedback on 3rd January 2022? First Ministry of Sports, second Ministry of Education, third Ministry of Commerce, fourth Ministry of Civil Aviation. The answer is fourth Ministry of Civil Aviation. Question 10. With a 43% growth rate, which states has topped the GST collection December 2021? First Karnataka, second Odisha, third Tamil Nadu, fourth Gujarat. The answer is second Odisha. 11th, which country took over the EU's rotating presidency in January 2022? First Austria, second Germany, third France, fourth Italy. The answer is third France. 12. Who has been honored with Bihar Vibhuti Saman as the Bihar Entrepreneurship Conclave 2021? A. Sumit Kumar, second Rohit Kumar, third Rohan Kumar, fourth Sanjay Kumar. The answer is second Rohit Kumar. 13th, researchers have discovered the first signs of a magnetic field surrounding a planet outside of our solar system. The discovery was made by an international team of astronomers using data from which of the following? First Hubble Space Telescope, second James Webb Space Telescope, third Kepler Space Telescope, fourth Spitzer Space Telescopes. The answer is first Hubble Space Telescope. 14. In January 2022, which of the following has launched the country's first auto sector exchange trader fund? First ICICI Prudential Asset Management Company Limited, second Nippon Life India SS Management Limited. Third, IDFC Mutual Fund. Fourth, Kota Mahindra Mutual Funds. The answer is second, Nippon Life India Asset Management Limited. 15. The Prime Minister of which country has announced his resignation in January 2022 amid political deadlock following a military coup? A. Somalia. Second, Ethiopia. Third, Sudan. Fourth, Nigeria. The answer is third, Sudan. 16. For starting an international remittance business under the Money Transfer Service Scheme MTSS, which of the following banks has received approval for the Reserve Bank of India RBI on 3rd January 2022? A. Kota Mahindra Bank. Second, ESAF Small Finance Bank. Third, Axis Bank. Fourth, Fino Payments Bank. The answer is fourth, Fino Payments Bank. 17. In which of the following state Defence Minister Rajnath Singh has inaugurated the Kalpana Chawla Center for Research in Space Science and Technology KCCRSST in January 2022? First, Odisha. Second, Kerala. Third, Punjab. Fourth, Karnataka. The answer is third, Punjab. 18. Who has been appointed as the Managing Director as CEO of the Jammu Kashmir Bank on January 1st, 2022? First, Rajesh Kumar. Second, Sanjeev Jain. Third, Prashit Mishra. Fourth, Baldev Prakash. The answer is Baldev Prakash. 19. Prime Minister Narendra Modi paid tributes to Rani Velu Nachariya, the first Indian queen to wage war against the British on her birth anniversary on 3rd January 2022. She belongs to which present Indian state? First, Karnataka. Second, Kerala. Third, Tamil Nadu. Fourth, Telangana. The answer is third, Tamil Nadu. 20. Which Pakistani player has announced his retirement from international cricket in January 2022? A. Shoaib Malik. B. Wabriaz. C. Mohammad Hafiz. D. Rashid Latif. The answer is C. Mohammad Hafiz. Here comes the current affairs for January 2022. The first, 3 times Olympic winner Victor Sanae has passed away in January 2022. He was associated with which sport? First, hockey. Second, triple jump. Third, wrestling. Fourth, boxing. Second, triple jump. 2. Who has been appointed as Secretary in the Development of Drinking Water and Sanitation DDWS under Jal Shakti Ministry in January 2022? A. Namit Khera. 2. Suraj Rana. 3. Kritika Agarwal. 4th, Vinny Maharajan. The answer is 4th, Vinny Maharajan. Question 3rd. To provide the best developed ad test solution and courses to students of the country, which minister has launched a single platform NEET 3.0 in January 2022? First, Minister of Information Broadcasting. Second, Minister of Electronics as Information Technology. Third, Minister of Labor as Employment. Fourth, Minister of Education. The answer is fourth, Minister of Education. Question 4. To enable small value digital payments in offline mode using cards, wallets and mobile devices, which government body has released the framework in January 2022? First, the Securities and Exchange Board of India SEBI. Second, Ministry of Corporate Affairs. Third, the Reserve Bank of India RBI. Fourth, Ministry of Finance. The answer is third, Reserve Bank of India. Fifth, registering a jump of 37% from December 2022, India has achieved its highest ever month export of how many billion dollars in December 2021 as the per the Ministry of Commerce and Industry reports? First, $0.5 billion. Second, $27 billion. Third, $37 billion. Fourth, $17 billion. The answer is third, $37 billion. Sixth, in January 2022, which state collaborate with the Indian School of Business ISB to empower the state's forecast economy? First, Uttarakhand. Second, Jharkhand. Third, Chhattisgarh. Fourth, Assam. Seventh, who has the answer of sixth is Jharkhand. Sorry for telling late. Seventh, who has taken over as new Director General of National Mission for Clean Ganga Ministry of Jal Shakti in January 2022? First, Ashish Upadhyay. Second, Alok Kumar. Third, G. Ashok Kumar. Fourth, SKG Rahate. The answer is third, G. Ashok Kumar. 8. Who laid the foundation stone of Heartfulness International Yoga Academy in Hyderabad in January 2022? First, Amit Shah. Second, Sarbananda Sonwal. Third, Manushuk Mandaviya, fourth Narayan Rane. The answer is second, Sarbanada Sonwal. 9. India has invited a total of how many nations to participate the multifunctional naval exercises Milan in Visakhapatnam, scheduled from February 25, 2022. First 16, second 26, third 36, fourth 46. The answer is fourth 46. 10. In January 2022, which country took over the G7 presidency? First Netherlands, second Germany, third Australia, fourth France. Answer is second Germany. Question 11. S.H. Sarma passed away in January 2022. He was related to which of the following fields? First medicine, second defense, third acting, fourth cricket. The answer is second defense. 12th. In January 2022, Vice President M. Venkaiah Naidu unveiled a statue of Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar and inaugurated Atal Bihari Vajpayee Bhavan and Chandrasekhar Azar Hostel at Mahatma Gandhi International Hindi University. The university is located in which city? First Rajkot, second Wardha, third Surat, fourth Pune. The answer is second Wardha. 13. In January 2022, PM Modi inaugurated how many projects worth about rupees 1850 crores in Manipur? First 7, second 9, third 11, fourth 13. That is fourth 13. Reliance New Energy Social Limited RNESL has acquired how much percent equity in Wilson Renewable Energy Limited SWREL? First 21.30, second 23.70, third 25.90, fourth 27.10. The answer is third 25.90. Last question 15. How many of the 13 first members are women MPs in the parliamentary panel appointed to examine the bill to raise the legal age of marriage for women? First, second, third, fourth. The answer is first. Thank you guys for this video. Subscribe our channel, press the bell icons for new updates, and sorry for that if any mistakes happen in the video, and comment the video and share the video as much as possible. Thank you guys.